Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the EVS vlog. I am Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Yo, we got a busy day. Oh, by the way, like, rate, comment, hit that notification bell so you know there's a new vlog that's always out. We are stronger when our numbers grow. Need an AdSense too, by the way. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna try to scare Will. Last time I tried to scare him, he knew I was coming. I'm gonna try to scare him again.
It doesn't out of me. I heard something and then I was like, what is that?
Tip of the day! Let's do a tip of the day! Tip of the day! Tip of the day! Tip of the day!
Okay.
Just a tip, just a tip, just a tip with me.
To get those hard to reach areas, get one of these tools. Boom. Because there's no way to get your hand in there. You can just clean all that out. Probably smeared the out of the glass.
So we got a Model 3 in today. We did this chrome delete. We also did wheels for it. I'll show you in a second. But it's back today because we finally got the part in for his dash. But first, let me show what we've done so far. So we did a chrome delete, as you can see, on the T logo and on the rest of the car. We went with a matte black style, so matte black on here, on the door handles, window trim, the fender badges, and of course in the rear. Brixton RF7 wheels in satin black to match the whole theme of the car. So if you're not familiar with the Model 3 dash, the dash in the car can sometimes come in a wood grain. I'll show you right now. This is the wood trim that it can come with depending on which option you have. Now some of the other Model 3s come with the white dash, which is really nice because you can wrap that. It's clean, it's smooth, but here's the problem with the wood dash. As you can tell, this is a wood grain trim, so when you wrap anything on top of it, those lines, the grains, come through the film, so it's no bueno. So we ordered him a new dash, a white one, and we'll put that on, wrap that, and I'll show you the end result. Now that we have the dash on with the rest of the car, it looks way better. Cool, we're done with this. Going back to the client. Guys, I got an unboxing for you. So this is a Vossen VF Series wheel unboxing. So we'll go over the box before we get started. Again, Vossen's branding is always on point with the Vossen tape. Team Vossen, I like that. Engineered art, which I believe is true. We got VF Series written on the top and on the bottom, just in case you forget. On the side, again, some more design and Vossen branding with the width and the diameter of the wheel, which is a 20 by 10.5. This side is the same thing as well. And this side just has the specs of the wheels. So this is the inside flap. We have test fitted each wheel prior to installing tires. You know, typical stuff that you normally would see. And on this side, it says, welcome to Team Vossen. Pretty nice, I like that. So you have typical brown flap up top, nice. Plastic ring up top, fabric cover. Ooh, so this is a VFS 10 in satin bronze. This is a custom color we did. Normally this wheel comes in gloss graphite and a silver metallic, but we got this custom done in satin bronze, and I'm really happy with how it came out. It looks really good. Hub rings, nice, and a wheel cleaner. Voss actually came with Adams polishes to do their wheel cleaner. So this is really nice, and for those of you car guys out there, you know Adams Polishing is one of the really high quality detailing brands out there. So this is a really nice product that they give for free. And while we're on the topic of wheel cleaners, it's just a PSA. It's really important that you clean your wheels with pH neutral soap. If you don't, over time, the finish of your wheels can flake, can peel, can crack, things like that. It's very easy for that to happen. So make sure you use pH neutral stuff like this or Zyamol. There's a few other brands out there that do the same as well. Oh, there's more stuff here, so let's see. Okay, cool. So these are the bronze center caps to match the wheels, but we won't be using those because we got red ones. Sick. Alright guys, so this is a Vossen VFS 10 wheel. As you can see, it's a clean 10-spoke design. I always said this, and I said this to every client I've ever had. I believe the 5-spoke and 10-spoke wheels, you can never go wrong with them on any car for the most part. And I think the reason for that is because they're so classic and so timeless, and that's really what this is, right? It's a clean, symmetrical 10-spoke design in this satin bronze finish. So as I mentioned earlier, this wheel only came in gloss graphite and it came in satin, and it came in silver metallic. However, this is custom made. So what I mean by that is Vossen has a lineup called Hybrid Forged Wheels, which is what this is. It's that step above cast, so it's stronger, a little bit lighter, without the price tag of like a fully forged wheel. And the cool thing is they have this option where they actually store what they call blanks. And blanks are just like the raw materials to make the wheel. And what they do is, if they don't have these wheels in stock for your car, they can actually take the blanks, make them here in the US, and they can finish it a special color, and then they'll send it to you. So it's really cool, and that's what we did with this client. He wanted a satin bronze, so they had the raw materials to make that. Here we are. This is a 20 by 10.5, so this is gonna be on his rear wheel. So let me show you some close-ups of this wheel. All right, so we'll start with the center cap. So this is the sport billet cap. This is additional, this is an upgrade. Again, this is super popular. I think we've been selling this specific cap the most out of all of them. You just can't go wrong with a little touch of red, right? And then the black center, it just looks so detailed. Satin bronze runs through the entire wheel that you see here. I like how they cut the spoke out. It's like shaved down on this side, and it's shaved down on the other side, so it just gives it like a really pointy top. Of course, you have Vossen branding down there. On the back side, nothing too spectacular. So this is kind of like a meticulous feature that I always look for to see ever since someone pointed it out to me a few years ago. So obviously no one sees this side of the wheel, right? No one sees this side. But I always give companies a few extra points if I actually see them finish the inner here all the way through. I've seen some wheel companies where they'll just do the outside, and you know, some of it will get sprayed here if it just spills over, but like this portion here will be left blank or raw. And I've even seen some where this back part here, they just don't even spray it. And I mean, like, I guess no one sees it, and I know it gets dirty, but it's just something about just seeing the shortcuts like that makes me feel like, what else could they be shortcutting, right? But again, maybe it's not them, maybe it's just their powder coater or whoever they use to powder coat. But then again, it's not important, it's not that big of a deal. But I just like seeing the fact that a wheel gets finished all the way through. It's just nice to see that they went above and beyond, if you even call that above and beyond. Because in my opinion, I feel like that should be standard. That's some concavity right there.
What does concavity mean, Haywood?
Concavity.
Noun. Could you use that in a sentence?
Bro, I scared Willow. I gotta show you.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? You like it?
Oh, that looks great.
Dude, that looks so good.
They're beautiful.
Dude, the red just popped. Guys, VFS 10 in satin bronze with the red sport billet caps, and as well, red matching lug nuts, and of course locks to go with it. The perfect setup, dude. It looks so good. And of course, flush fitment like always. Look at that concavity. That is nuts. Hey Tyler, what are you doing, man?
Sick and tired of installing shit.
Whoa, what the fuck? Dude, whoa. Oh my god. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Tyler, what are you doing? Dude, we're doing nothing but tests today. Look, so we got the Model 3 is going on right here that Tyler's working on. And then over here, we're working on the same black Model X with the red caliper. So we just got done tinting it. We are now putting the Vossen HF3s on here. Look at this, guys.
What is so different about those Vossen HF3?
Well, I'll tell you, Tyler, what's so different about them are the center caps. You see, these center caps are sport billet red.
Haywood, what is so different about those lug nuts?
Well, you see, these are Vossen specific lug nuts. Let me get closer for you guys. Can you see the V's? I mean, this is like the perfect set. And look at the caliper. You're telling me that doesn't just look so good? The red with the red center cap and the yellow and the white Tesla letters. And now the wheels are off. You can clearly see the Tesla letters in big and bright. Look at that. How good does that look, guys? And the wheel's spinning. This is what it's gonna look like when the wheel is moving. Oh wait. Teslas don't make noises, so just be like. So that's what it's gonna sound like. So yeah, that's what it's gonna sound like because Teslas don't make noises. Yep, just like that. Okay. Oh, guys, I think this is perfect, man. Look at this. What do you guys think? Oh my God, that looks so good. So let's recap what we've done so far. First, we tint all the sides and back windows in Photosync, so it's nice and cool on the inside. Then custom painted all the calipers red. They were that grayish color, that boring gray, white Tesla lettering, and that's underneath the paint, so it's permanent. And of course, as you guys can see, the wheels. Vossen HF3 wheels in 22-inch in tinted gloss black inner barrel and on the edge of the spokes, but on the outside of the face of the spokes, it's like this dark gunmetal color, so it looks so good. I love this two-tone finish because it's still dark, it's still sporty, but because of this gunmetal face, it just gives it detail. You see how the spokes are cut, the angles and everything. Guys, did we hit this one out of the park? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like this? Do you have a Tesla Model X that you want us to do this to? Comment down below, email us. We want to take care of you because you're part of the EVS crew. And on this note, guys, that is it for the vlog. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Join the EVS crew. Comment, like, rate, hit that notification bell. Let us know what you want to see more of, and I will deliver. I will see you guys. Peace.